Umbono kaMbeki uza njengoba bulumela ubudlelwane balelizwe neMelika kulandela uxoshwa kwenxusa lakuleli u-Ibrahim Rasool. Umengameli Donald Trump wanqamula nosizo lwezemali lweyinhlangano ezilwa nesifo sengculazi negciwane laso kulelizwe.
Does DERCO understand the world in which it engages international relations for the people of South Africa? Does it have the internal capacity to develop this understanding? And in practice, what is done practically to get this understanding? Maybe Ambassador Loma, this is your responsibility. And what is done to relate policy to that understanding? I think these are very serious questions which Aziz would have raised.
Umbeki uphinde waveza ukukhathazeka kwakhe ngeinhlelo zikahulumeni kaDonald Trump ngezwekazi ye-Afrika.
Minister, we do not know whether the current Trump administration will persist with these positions concerning what it has described as its strategic adversaries, according to its threat assessment. I've read this thing because it may very well be that they may take it, the current administration may take what John Bolton said on behalf of the first Trump administration as a framework within which to formulate its Africa policies. If that is the case, Minister, the question arises, what does Africa do in the light of that?
Uhlelo lwesifundo ngoPahad, i-Aziz Pahad Peace, Security and Human Rights Dialogue luzobanjwa njalo ngonyaka. U-Aziz Ghulam Hussein Pahad waba yiliphini likangqongqoshe weindaba zangaphandle ukusuka ngo-1994 kwaze kwaba ngo-2008 ngaphansi komengameli ababili uNelson Mandela noThabo Mbeki. Nangaphansi kongqongqoshe ababili u-Alfred Nzo noDokotela uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma.